This question should be done in the round 2. It says if a and b are the roots of equation x square plus px plus c. First of all, if I am saying a and b are the roots of this equation, right? Can I say a square plus pa plus c is 0? So this is a square plus pa is minus c. Okay. And c and d are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q are. So can I say c plus d should be minus p, and c into d should be r. Okay. I want the value of a minus c into a minus d. If we simplify this, this is a square minus ac minus ad plus cd. This is the value you need to calculate. This is a square minus a common. This is c plus d plus cd. We replace the value of c plus d and cd from here. So this is a square plus pa plus r. What is the value of a square plus pa? Minus c. So this is minus c plus r, or r minus c. So my right answer is C. The one approach to deal with this. Okay. Else we can do it by eliminating options. Okay. What I can do is let us talk about the alternate process. I know x square plus px plus c has the root a and b. For a moment, I assume x square plus 3x plus 2 is an equation with the roots a and b as minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. Here the value of c should be 2 if I compare with this c matching with this. Okay. And the value of p comes out to be 3. The another equation should be x square plus 3x. I repeat, x square plus px plus r is 0 with the roots c and d. Matlab, the one of the roots of this equation should be 2. Clear? So can I say this 4 plus 6 plus r is 0. So r is minus 10. So I got the value of r also, which is minus 10. I want the value of a minus c into a minus d. What is the value of a minus 1 and 2? So this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and minus 1. Okay. I also need to calculate the value of d. If you factorize this equation, x square plus 3x minus 10 is 0 that you calculated, you can say the root d, the another root apart from 2 would be minus 5. So the value of d is minus 5. So this is a, which is minus 1, a which is minus 1 plus 5. So it become minus 12. So I only take the option which is equal to minus 12. You can verify among the options p plus c. P is 3 and c is 2. So it is not valid. C is 2 and r is minus 10. So it is 12, not valid. R is minus 10 and c is 2. So it is minus 12, valid. So my answer is C. So I can do this question in two ways, either by a systematic process or by eliminating options by substituting some values and all.